Yo, my journey to losing weight took discipline, man. A lot of discipline. It's hard. It's probably the hardest thing I've ever had to do in my life. Losing weight is not a joke. So I respect people who stay fit, 100% throughout the year. And I'm only getting into it now. It's my second year, exercising, and I'm looking forward to learning more. But it takes discipline, a lot of discipline.
And you're part of Bowen Gym Squad. What does that mean to you?
Pardon?
You're part of Bowen Gym Squad. Yeah. What does that mean to you?
I mean, for me, the most important thing that I took from this gym squad experience is just the coaches' involvement in the townships, man. It's very important, the information that they give to the people, our people, because I grew up, with basically no information on fitness and healthy living and stuff. So the fact that they're putting in effort and teaching people where they live in the townships that they live is something that is commendable.
And what are your goals for 2018? What do you want to accomplish?
I mean, my goals for 2018 is to firstly get more, have more peace in my life, just around me. I think there's so much envy and hate in the era we live in. So my goal is just to be more peaceful and more quiet, and mind my own business more and more loving, and have fun. I'm not going into this year to make money or make history, or what I'm saying. All of those things will come after. It's really just about being peaceful and more attentive to family. You have people around you who are going through so many things, but you don't even know because we're so busy trying to chase money and fame and all that stuff. So that's really my goal for this year. And then the fitness stuff and all of that. But also fitness is very important for training your mind, So if you're trying to be peaceful and exercising is really good because it takes away a lot of bad stuff in your body. When you burn fat, you don't just burn fat, you burn a lot of things that come out of your body, and stress, is also minimized by exercise. So yeah.
And next is Moses Mabhida for you. I see you've been putting that on your Instagram and everywhere. What attracts you so much to filling up stadiums?
I love doing stadiums. We're doing Moses Mabhida this year, and I do stadiums because my people are an oppressed people. Our minds have been taught that we're second best, we're not good enough. That's why we even bash our own. South Africans are very quick to laugh and mock South Africans, but then when Beyonce comes here, we're gonna be mad happy. So it's just oppression, from the West, from apartheid and all that stuff. And I'm one of the people who are just working to change that, to make people, instill hope in people and confidence, showing people that you can believe in yourself, that you could do anything that you want. So that is why I keep on doing stadiums. I mean, I could stop right now because I'm in the history books already, but if I stop right now, nobody's gonna do it. I know for a fact. So I need to carry on and build this until I get more people to start doing it, and then we change the industry. And it's just about giving hope to people and inspiring them. A lot of people aren't confident, man. And that's why it's such a big deal when I do stadiums. People make it such a big deal because it's unbelievable. We live in a place where we were told you can't do this, you can't do that. You're just a South African. So yeah, that's why I do it.
And lastly, what artists do you want to work with this year?
This year I want to work with a lot of African artists outside of South Africa. I just did a song with Davido that we're going to be dropping soon. With a guy called Scales with Burner Boy, Diamond Platinums from Tanzania, Vanessa Mdee from Tanzania. I'm going to be probably working with a dude called Sakodi from Ghana, Olamide from Nigeria. But in South Africa, I really don't want to work with any established guys. I want to work with new guys that nobody knows, you know. I feel like we're short of like new talent, and it's all because of like major record labels taking so much space on radio. You know, it's controlled by like all the money and the capital that's put in the industry. So for me, I feel like we need new talent, and there's so much in these hoods. Like these kids are so talented, but they'll never get a chance because I mean, you know, the big guys in the industry have taken all the space.